Want to get fit in the new year? Don't know where to start? They say it takes 21 days to create a new habit. Whether it's to start moving more, start moving again, or even just moving into a better mindset. Join us on our 21-day challenge. Work on creating new habits, stay consistent, get in the best shape of your life, and feel amazing. All workouts are beginner-friendly for all levels and can be done from anywhere with minimal equipment. Make this year your most fit yet. Welcome to day 15 of your 21-day challenge. Today we're going to do a little bit of arms, a little bit of abs. It's a great combo. What I'm going to use is two medium weights, so anywhere between a 5 to 15, something you can press above your head, something you can curl with, something you can do tricep kickbacks with. We'll start with a quick little warm-up and then we'll get right into our arms and abs, baby. Okay, let's go into jumping jacks in 3, 2, and 1. For 5, 4, wake up that body, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go forward jacks. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, you're gonna reach your arms up, open up your chest, reach over to the right and over to the left. So getting into that side body for 4, 3, 2, 1. Big arm circles, loosen up that joint. In the shoulders, you got 3, 2, 1, and back for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go into that thoracic rotation of the spine. So 5 in the core as well. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great work. All right, one more thing just to get the legs loosened up. You're gonna reach down for your toes and then come all the way up, sun salutation, and exhale, fold, and come all the way up. One last time, fold, and all the way up. Cool. So what we're gonna do for today's class is we're gonna go between arms and abs. So we'll do an arm exercise, then we'll do abs, arm exercise, and abs. So 3 times per set. Okay, grab those weights. If you don't have weights, you can also use wrist weights, ankle weights, or anything you have at home. Even water bottles work. All right, your first move, you're gonna do a hammer curl to a narrow shoulder press. You'll be here for 30 seconds. That's your arm move. For set 1, your core move is a toe tap. You wanna make sure you're holding on to the weights though, so you have a little more resistance and you'll feel the burn even more. Okay, here we go in 3, 2, and 1. So you wanna make sure your palms are facing inwards while you're doing this. So it's a hammer curl to a narrow press. My rib cage is down. I'm bracing my core. I'm not using my back. I'm using my shoulders and my arms. Good work. Remember, we're doing this 3 times, so you're really gonna feel the burn on the last one. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. Lay down on your mat. Let's do our ab move. Legs in the air, hold on to those weights and toe taps. Try to get your upper shoulder blades off the mat. Try to keep your chin tucked under so you're not straining your neck too much. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. Great work. All right, back up on those feet. I'll give you a 5-second recovery and we gotta go right back to it. In 3, 2, 1, hammer curl, shoulder press. This is where you're gonna start to feel those arms, gonna feel those shoulders. My biceps are a little sore from yesterday, so I'm definitely feeling that burn today. 10 seconds. We're gonna lie down. In 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Bring it down to the mat. You know this move now. Lay down, toe taps. Every time you lift your head up, exhale, and then inhale. So you're using the breath to help you get through these reps. Never holding the breath while you're doing abs. You got 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, last round. If your grip is a little tired, you can shake those arms out. Totally cool. Let's do this one last time. We're moving on to the next set. In 3, 2, 1. Hammer curl, shoulder press, go. My arms are definitely feeling it by round 3. I hope yours are as well, but in a good way. Good, 15 seconds, come on. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, last round for abs, and I'll give you a nice recovery because you deserve it. So try your best to peel those shoulder blades off of your mat when you're reaching for your toes. 10. For 3, 2, and time. Nice. Hug your knees into your chest and circle into your back. Massage it out. We're actually we're gonna stay on the ground for the next arm move. We're gonna do triceps and a little bit of biceps, but watching the move. You're gonna go for a narrow press so my elbows stay tight to my body. I punch it up towards the sky, the ceiling, and I do a skull crusher. So just like that. So narrow press, skull crusher. For your ab move, you're gonna drop your weights, take your hands behind your head. We're gonna go into an alternating knee crunch. Times 3, you know that. Here we go, 3, 2, and 1. Narrow press, let's get into those triceps. And the triceps are the back of your arms. So we're toning those triceps here. And these ones kind of sneak up on you. You're gonna really feel the burn on the last set for sure. Beautiful. Keep your lower back pressing down so you're engaging that core. 10 seconds, come on, you're gonna drop these weights. You're gonna do some abbies. In 4, 3, 2, time. Drop the weights, you can shake out your grip. You're gonna go opposite knee to opposite elbow. So beautiful ab exercise to target that entire abdominal wall. So I'm going upper abdominals, lower abdominals, obliques. And I'm breathing, of course. Ten seconds. I'll give you a 10-second recovery. You can hug those knees into the chest. In 3, 2, time. Nice work. Hug your knees into the chest for 1 second. Massage your back. We're gonna go right into round 2. In 3, in 2, and 1. Let's go. As I'm doing this skull crusher, I wanna make sure that my elbows are in line with the shoulders so they're not flailing outwards. You wanna have control here. You wanna make sure you're not injuring your elbows, that joint right there. Ooh, I'm starting to feel it. Starting to feel those triceps. They are burning. 15 seconds. Stay strong, come on. Yes, you've got 3, 2, time. All right, drop the weights. Let's do some abs. Cross body crunch in 3, 2, 1, go. Really try to get that elbow to touch that knee. Halfway there. I'll give you a little breather, and then we're in our final round in this set. We got one more to do. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Woo, my arms, the back of my arms are on fuego, fire. All right, last round. for this set. In 3, 2, pick up those weights. Let's do it. Narrow press, skull crusher. Keep your elbows nice and tight to your body as you're doing the narrow press. You want to punch the ceiling up and extend those arms. And if you want to, go a little faster for the last round. We're going to get out of those triceps and we're going to go into our backs. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2. Ooh, man, my triceps are burning. All right, let's do some abs. 3, 2, 1, go. You know the movement now. Stay strong. 10 seconds, come on. See if you can speed it up for the last 10. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, baby. I'm fired up now. Hug your knees into your chest, roll up and down your back, massage it out, and let's get into our very final move in this set. So we did biceps, we did shoulders, we did triceps. We're gonna do a little back, so sculpting the back muscles. Eyes up on me. You're gonna start, so I want you to bend over. You wanna have your feet about hip distance. The crown of the head is reaching forward. You're gonna go into a row, into a reverse fly. That is your 30 seconds. Your 30 seconds on the ground, you're gonna hold a plank. You have options, right? You can hold a plank, you can drop it down to your knees and do a modified plank. If you're a little more advanced, you can do a twisted climber. All right, last 3 rounds and we're done. In 3, 2, and 1. Let's do this. So as you're doing the row, really think about squeezing those shoulder blades together. Three, 2, and 1. Okay, I'm gonna do the first variation with you, which is modified for the first round. If you're not modified, you're holding it plank, or you're doing a cross climber. 30 seconds on the clock. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. So I'm gonna walk you through the modification. You want to make sure the shoulders are in line with the wrists. The knees are a little further back than the hips, and you wanna tuck the tail under, so you're not lifting your tail up like this. Yes? So you're really engaging through that entire abdominal wall. Good, 10 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, time. All right, round 2. Let's do this, so close to being done. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Row, reverse fly. What I want to see is that you're not rounding your back here either, so you're not doing this. So really flat back, reach your chest down to the mat, stick your tailbone up. Your neck is neutral. Ten seconds. Hold on. So close. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm gonna do the next variation. Off my knees in that plank. 3, 2, hold. Again, you can stay here if you're still in the beginner level, totally cool, or you're doing the advanced. And same form goes here, right? So you're not holding the tailbone up and you're not drooping through the hips. So I'm standing strong, pushing the mat away, engaging that core, squeezing my glutes, that's my butt, and my quads. the front of the thighs. 10 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Oh my God, we're already in the last round. So excited. Let's do it. Finish strong. You ready? I'm ready. 3, 2, 1. Let's finish off the back and the core. 10 seconds, stay strong. You are almost at the finish line. You made it this far, don't give up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! All right, final 30 seconds. Hold that plank. You choose your own adventure. If you want to finish strong, let's go into those twisted climbers. 3, 2, 1, go. Try to get that elbow to touch that opposite knee. Breathing. 10. Woo! My abs are burning, my arms are burning. It's a sign of a good workout. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Woo! Push yourself back into child's pose. Take a few breaths here. Let your heart rate relax, let your nervous system relax. You're gonna bring your hands, you're gonna bend them at the elbows, palms facing towards yourself, and then reach for the top of your back. And then release. Come back to tabletop. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round. Inhale, up. Exhale, round. Inhale, one more time, up. Exhale, round. Let's go for downward dog. Walking our hands back to our feet. Forward fold. And rolling it up one vertebrae at a time. Roll your shoulders back, stand up nice and tall. Roll your shoulders forward. And give yourself a round of applause for killing it today. Day 15, done just like that. Don't forget to comment below. Let me know how your arms are feeling. Let me know how your abs are feeling. Like this video and of course subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you tomorrow. You'll be there.